Look at that. All those people are helping out to repaint that mural that was graffitied almost from completely. And here's a freight coming up. Beautiful timing. Look at that. Right on, baby. Woohoo! 3 engines. 4 engines. Yeah, baby. Oh, what the fuck is that one there? Oh, shit. That's a standard cab. Dash 8, I think. No, 1. Is that 5 engines? Oh, yeah. Right here by Hibernia Street. Man, that thing was coming in pretty quiet, actually. Or I should say leaving pretty quietly, for that matter. That's just such, you know, in a time where things have gotten to be so negative, and you always hear about bad news and what this has happened, what this person did, what that person did. You know, when I heard about in the news, or I should say I saw one of my subscribers, you know who you are, sent me a link about somebody that graffitied this whole wall practically. I was like, oh my god, are you fucking kidding me? I almost came down here to make a video of it, but I didn't. Because it unnerved me, it pissed me off so much. I'm like, what's the point? He's like, I'm not going to draw attention to, you know, to this negative shit, to this asshole or assholes that did this shit, you know, forget about it, no way. Fuck that. So, I didn't do it. And I'm going to see about maybe coming here tomorrow and actually lending a hand. I wanted to do that today, but I've been tired so much for the rest of today. I walked too much, and also, I was walking up close and watching these people paint on that mural, and I thought, man, how are they doing certain things? Like, there's so many details in that mural. Look, let me show you here. Look, let's see what a graffiti is. I'm not sure how I would match any of that stuff so that I look close to the original. I mean, I'm good, but I don't know. Anyway, they're going to stop probably in about an hour or so. Anyway, it's like 4 o'clock almost. Oh, might as well have a seat. Have a seat on the sidewalk. Beautiful day, beautiful fall day. But it really instilled confidence in people when I saw, and I went up, I even told those guys how cool what they were doing, and I thanked them because they really, I think that mural really is a life reflecting on life, you know. It's what it is, about people, about life, about communities, about the melting pot. And I'd like to take part of that tomorrow. I feel kind of bad I didn't today, but it's just, I don't know. I just think what they're doing is epic, because a lot of murals would never have bothered to, you know, to restore them to the way they were from being fucked up by graffiti artists. Or tagging, as they call it, for Christ's sake. You know? Matter of fact, come to think of it, I think I'm gonna like call this video something like CN Train with legendary Pointe St. Charles mural or something like that, you know? Something to that effect. Look at that timing. I've only been here like, wasn't even here I think 10 minutes, and I finally got a CN train. It's true, you really do get more trains later in the day than in the early afternoon. There you go, the guy who tagged this wall. Fuck you, that's what this is. You know? You think you're gonna get away with that? You got away with it, but not with leaving your fucking crap on the wall. It's going away. It's being washed away in a way. You know? Yeah. I almost told this family when they were looking at it, I said, you know, you see, good always triumphs over evil. Whoa, that kid is zooming, eh? That's a long freight, man, eh? 5 engines. There was always this thing here I wondered about. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention we're at Hibernia and Knox Street, sorry. Probably important. I think this might have been a signal in the past, I'm not sure. .59 p.m. October 13th. It's funny, I've been here for hours and I actually had to go to the whoa, check that out. See, that's interesting because that's graffiti, but that took a long time to make probably. Okay? Not saying it's right. There's a lot of work involved in that, you know? Anyway, what I was trying to say is it's amazing. I filmed 3 vintage cars today in this neighborhood alone. It's not and you know, this is not even as big as Hochelaga. In Hochelaga, there aren't even as many old cars as there used to be. Sorry to say. I guess people got more money here or more sense of history, or I think it's pretty much actually also, unfortunately, because there's less fucking degenerates here than in Hochelaga. I'm sorry to say, but it's true. People are fucking crazy in Hochelaga. I mean, there's fucked up people here too, but I don't think there's as many. Oh, look at these old Burlington, Northern Burlington opera cars. Yeah, I'm not on the right side of the tracks, eh? But I am on the right side in the sense that the train is on the track closest to me, so that's good. That's a really long freight, man. Don't often see a freight with 4 engines. Ah, there we go. That's it. Et le tour est joué. Okay, guys. Bye-bye. Hey, there's a stop sign there, eh? Fucking idiot. I'm glad I got that. There's a stop sign there, you know?